This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious collard and mustard greens. First, choose fresh, vibrant greens with no yellowing. Next, wash them thoroughly in cold water, perhaps even a few times, to ensure all grit is removed. Finally, stack the leaves and carefully remove the tough center stems before chopping. Once cleaned, stack several leaves, roll them tightly, and slice into 1-inch strips. Now, in a large pot, sauté a diced onion and a few cloves of minced garlic until fragrant. This builds a foundational flavor. For an authentic taste, consider adding a smoked ham hock or a piece of smoked turkey. Now, add your chopped greens to the pot. Pour in enough chicken or vegetable broth to almost cover them. Season generously with salt, black pepper, and a pinch of red pepper flakes for a little kick. Bring to a simmer, then cover and cook for 45 minutes to 1 hour, or until they are wonderfully tender. Before serving, taste your greens and adjust the seasonings. A little more salt or pepper might be needed. For a bright, tangy finish, stir in a splash of apple cider vinegar. This really elevates the flavor profile. Serve your hot, tender collard and mustard greens as a comforting and nutritious side dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.